And a very good day to you. Steve from EstateMax coming to you live from our newest preview of an estate sale. This time we're in North Potomac, Maryland, to a super eclectic house, even by EstateMax standards. We have a world traveler here who's been all throughout Asia and Russia and has collected all kinds of things. How about those beautiful leather long coats? A lot of great women's apparel. Treasures from Thailand, Vietnam, China, Korea, Russia, all over the world. Home of a world traveler who also collected some great Buddhas and brass pieces and mid-century furniture. Beautiful pieces. I'm going to have to circle around probably twice just to get it all in. If you're a Russian language person, we have a huge library of international books and Russian language books collected from the years of world travel. Some are really rare. We get some good Russian book people here. But there's stuff for everybody. Oh, there's LPs, classic LPs. Really, really interesting stuff. Not your run-of-the-mill LPs. I mean, there's original Led Zeppelin 45 RPM records there. There's great classic old 33s. It's such an eclectic sale. Here's a nice piece. Moving into the dining room. Some beautiful occasional chairs. Pretty cut china. Some leaded crystal. Pretty stuff. We'll walk through the room this way. Catch our other great table. Here's your crystal. All in great condition, of course. Some china. You might have to see this video twice. How about this branded Colonel's helmet from World War II? That's a real keeper as a collector piece. That'll go fast. Mid-century table, some carved monkey wood bowls, some designer furniture, designer apparel we'll get to in a little bit. Let's walk into the sunroom real quick. Oh, here's the kitchen. Let's stop and look at the kitchen. Here we go. Oh, I see a KitchenAid mixer back there. We're in the sunroom. I call it the yellow room. It's so perky and happy. Look at all the yellow furniture. Butterflies, or maybe called the butterfly room. Lots of wicker and rattan and beautiful carved wooden pieces for perfect tables. This is a giant slab of wood here. This thing is just gorgeous. Look at this table. Wicker chairs. We're going to go march back into the house for a minute, and then we'll come back out to the garage later. We're in the office on the first floor. These beautiful oak barrister bookcases are just loaded with international books, travel books, Russian language books, some office furniture, some mobility equipment. Something for everybody at this sale. That's a great piece. We're in the room next to the office room. Some more desks, books, heaters, collections of collections, audio books, books on tape, Chinese language books, cookbooks. We're in another sub-bedroom loaded with linens and classic mid-century furniture. Some linens and computer equipment. Really eclectic. Moving down the hallway to the woman of the house's master bedroom. You see some beautiful ladies' apparel. Really classy stuff. And a full shoe tree. Ladies' accessories, frames, collections, tchotchkes, scarves. It's a hand-knit dress right there, I think. Some pillows, some Sag Harbor coats, leopard skin print, I think. Some beautiful campaign furniture in the back here too. Really nice pieces. Peek into the ladies' closets again. Again, you'll never run out of shoes here. Beautiful, well well picked out stuff. Hard to shoot in here because it's so tight. You'll see there's everything from designer hats to leather skirts to designer dresses. Ronnie Nicole there. Tough to take in. You might have to go back and look at some of the still pictures too. Take another quick walk through the kitchen. Make sure we didn't miss any of these big cabinets. And then we're going to run downstairs to the utility room and the rec room and then the garage. Gorgeous long leather women's coats. Beautiful finished basement. Again, another library of Russian language books, but it's chock full of interesting things from a lifetime of world travels. We separated out some of them just to make it easier for you to take it all in, but everything you see here, from a fencing outfit to a Tiffany style lamp to, I think that's a Russian language Monopoly set. Some collector books. Again, a lot of Russian language books here. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Beautiful carved, these are monkey wood tables, I'm not quite sure. She was an artist, a lot of art supplies and canvases. More mid-century furniture. And there's a fantastic easel. Check that out. There's a glider lift chair if you so desire down here too. So I'm going to do a swing through the downstairs again to make sure we don't miss anything. A lot of books, a lot of collectibles, some hand-carved tables. This double-decker table, that's my favorite. Vast majority of what you see in here, if not every single thing, is for sale, except for I think one lamp in the living room. But everything you see art-wise, here's a whole Christmas World collection here in unopened boxes, factory unopened boxes. Take a walk through the back, and then we'll head to the utility room. I like that eagle. Then again, I like the squirrel too. Here's our Christmas collections. Mid-century dresser and desk setup. The Sony TV and a piano. Got some movie screen. Now we're going to head in back a little bit. There's also an in-law suite type of a thing in the basement, like a full apartment down here too. This is also fully furnished, and everything you see in this video is also for sale. So again, we're in the kind of like an in-law suite in the basement. This is fully furnished, and everything you see in this video is for sale. Beautiful silk and other ladies' apparel pieces. Those are absolutely gorgeous. Lori did such a great job of laying all this out. Curated it, I should say. Taking a swing around the utility room. Again, super eclectic. It's big. There's a lot of stuff. Most of it will not be priced. This is a full make us an offer zone. And whatever you see, there's a lot to see here too. The entire aquarium kit is for sale. Those 4 sawhorses are for sale. Craftsman vacuum cleaner for the shop is for sale. A couple of bird cages. Coleman portable cooking kit for emergencies. And throughout the basement, you'll see all kinds of things hidden here. You'll have to dig through it. It's a big make us an offer zone. Things for the kitchen, picture frames, collections, mystery stuff hidden inside trunks, some of which we haven't even seen. Fun sale to dig around in, really. These trunks haven't even been opened. Maybe they have treasure. So, EstateMax estate sales. Find us on estatesales.net. Look up North Potomac, Maryland for September 6th, 7th, and 8th. Upcoming. Be here early, 10 o'clock Friday for best selection. And you will have it address to be announced on estatesales.net and on our Facebook page, cleverly entitled EstateMax. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, we're back upstairs. We're headed out to the garage to see what kind of garage things are here. Carved wood there. Headed out to the garage. We find a John Deere tractor with only 44 hours on it. I think it's a 36-inch deck. It might be a 48. I'm not sure, but it's a D105. Everything you see in this video is for sale. A lot of lawn and leaf stuff. A lot of maintenance stuff. A few tools and things. There's a larger shop vac and a ladder. And a hand truck hiding in there. Some lawn tools, a couple of blowers, a couple of chainsaws. Actually, 3 chainsaws, I think. Gas can, nice weed eater, power cords, tiki fuel. In the back row of the garage, we have some tool stuff and a couple nice tool cabinets, some lawn and leaf stuff. Very nice Gladiator tool cabinet with gliding doors. A lot of miscellaneous and small stuff. Make us an offer. It's not going to be priced, so make us an offer on this stuff. Here we have some outdoor tools and lawn tools for you just in time. So again, Steve from EstateMax for Lori Zook also saying we'll see you in North Potomac on the 6th, 7th, and 8th upcoming September for this really cool and eclectic estate sale. Address to be announced the day before. We'll see you then.